I think these lanterns are so summer and so whimsical, and they just make me think wedding, so I was inspired to transform this lantern from a candle to a beautiful flower decor. I have the foam discs, and I'm going to cut it to size with a Dollar Tree hacksaw, of course. It didn't hold up all the way, but it got the job done. I was interested to see what this saw could do, and now I know. It breaks very easily, but it can be put back together. You'll see my Goodwill is very expensive, and this lantern was $10, but I've had it for a couple years now. Then I started placing the flowers, and I have to make sure that it looks good from a 360-degree angle. I think this would look great at a wedding, maybe at the present table, or even at the bride and groom's table. I love these little Dollar Tree balls. I don't know what they're supposed to be, but they look really cool and add a ton of texture. Actually, I have a couple Dollar Tree sphere shapes in this DIY. I picked up these decorative balls. I wasn't planning to use them for this, but it worked out really well because the stems could stick right in the holes, and then I didn't have like an ugly piece of foam to have to hide. I'm so glad I found this baby's breath. It's going through my grandmother's stuff. She was a shopper, she was, and it's really good quality. And what is a wedding without baby's breath? Come to think of it, this would look good at a baby shower too, because what is a baby shower without baby's breath? So you'll see it's starting to come together. Last minute, I decided to use these grasses that I had laying around from Dollar Tree, and I thought this gave it a really cool whimsical texture, the little spikiness. You can't see it very good in this shot, but you'll see it shortly. And that's it. I'm starting to get this thing done. I put the lid on, and of course I have to zhuzh it a little more. That big flower I actually got from Goodwill. I bought these wooden bowls and they were sitting in it, and they gave it to me with my purchase. The roses are really good quality, but I really think it came out wonderfully. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I do a ton of DIYs. I do epic Halloween costumes. Make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. Definitely go check out my other videos. I have some cool Dollar Tree decor, and I have a lot more coming. So subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist. It's linked in the description box. A ton of YouTubers have got together, and they have created an awesome playlist. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that circle and subscribe.